Nice and snug, like it's supposed to be. Get the GoPro right. You going off? Play some Frisbee, boy.
Off to the park to play some Frisbee. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Like, comment, and subscribe from Hustle's point of view as we play some Frisbee and you see him go crazy and play Frisbee. Hopefully no one's at the park. Last time there was a whole bunch of people playing soccer, and it does look like it's about to rain, but hopefully it doesn't rain, guys. Hustle, because you're the one playing Frisbee. You care the most. No music though, just me and you, boy. Tired. Oh, she's probably hot. Put the AC on for you. You can't tell already, we made it to the park.
Yeah, his harness is all down and everything. Let me get you right, boy. Get you right. Come on, brother. Hey, let me stick it all the way down. Gotta do it for the YouTube. No. No, let's go. No.
Sure. Probably just locked it already. Good. Harness all retarded. No. No.
Down.
Down, Hustle. Stay. Stay.
That. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Spin. Spin. Sit. Sit. Heel. Heel. Yeah. Heel. Down. Under. Heel. Yeah.
Heel. Good boy. Heel. Get back. Yeah. Cricket GoPro. God damn you, GoPro. Sorry, YouTube. We need a little. This is our like first time actually using this harness. Had it for like a year. Stay. Nope. Sit. Stay. Up. Stay. No. Up. Down. You see how tired the dog gets when you go and work your dog? Yeah. Look, no leash, we're using an e-collar, but he hates the e-collar, huh? Not. That's why he loves playing Frisbee with it on. He don't care about no e-collar. Come on. Take a little breather. Don't tear up the Frisbee though. No. One thing you let it do, eat grass when he's tearing up these toys. No, hustle. Leave it. No, hustle. No. Ah. No, hustle. Leave it. Oh. I don't know why I said that. I thought he was chewing up the grass, but he wasn't. Come here, boy. Heel. Out. Out, hustle. Out. No. Heel. Come here. Come here, hustle. Come on. Oh my gosh. Dude. This is a doofus. So what we gonna do? We gonna start the car. Hey. No. We gonna get it nice and cool. And we're gonna do a couple more throws. Put this GoPro on the right way. Hustle. I know we got a couple good ones in. Show for show. 20-minute long video. Ah. Down. Heel. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Ah. No, no, no. Don't even think about barking. He was thinking about barking right now. Oh boy. Alright, hustle. Let me turn you around, hustle. Come here, hustle. You see those kids over there, hustle boy? Yeah, all the way over there. You're better than like 90% of them, boy. Because you're a good dog and you're trained. And we do lots of obedience and we work everywhere. And you're just such a good dog. We get the energy out and everything. And you're better than most people's children. But you're a pit bull and you have the stereotype. And people will cross the street when we're walking or anything. Look at us weird. But it's okay, boy. I love you. And you're a beast. Go get it. Hey, no grass, no.
No grass. Come here. Come here. Go.
Alright, YouTube. Last one. This is for you guys. This is for you guys, YouTube. Let me tighten these up. Harness up. Dude, this is the only harness we've ever used. If you know our training. Not that one. That one's real hard to. This one got all the grass over, but okay. Alright, YouTube. This is for you guys. You want it? Alright. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Oh wait, let's go to the car. And then we'll see you guys later at the car. Hey, no. This guy has no off button. He can go all day, but he's tired. You can hear him. Alright. Oh, what? Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Still getting used to this YouTube stuff. Alright. See you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment. Hey, don't turn around, boy. And subscribe. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.